Today I'm at 17 Orkney Place in Kirkcaldy. Now this is a well presented one bedroom first floor flat. Now the property is in a very central location here. We have just within walking distance all your local amenities. We're just a short walk from the new farm foods. You have the green shop, we've got a wee takeaway just across the road, and you've got the fuel station right across the road there as well. So we do have the option for perfect accommodation here if you don't drive. However, if you do, we also have a lovely big car park here as well that is situated off away from the main road. So you've got plenty of parking spaces available there. Now, not only do we have a very well presented, very spacious one bed apartment here, but the property also does come with a laundrette service as well. So you do have your laundrette room here, which is free for the residents to use. So you can go and do your washing just down in the block across from us here and get all your washing done. So you don't have to have the space taken up in the kitchen here for a washing machine, which is just perfect. So let's take a wee look. Now the property has just been freshly painted throughout. So you can see here we have our living room. So very spacious room. Now this is ideally set up that you can have living area up here and you could easily have dining space just down at the bottom there. So, or you could just have a nice big living room. So you can see here as well, we get the afternoon sun coming in at this side of the property, but you do get your morning sun at the back there. And as I say, you've also got your car park out to the back as well. So plenty of parking available there. So you can see just what a good sized living room we have. Now as we head through, you have your hallway here, so we have kitchen. So again, good sized kitchen. You've got space there as well that you can easily have a washing machine if you do want to do your washing within the property, or you could have separate under counter fridge freezer there if you want to be able to use the laundry room. So as I say, good sizey kitchen here. Unfortunately my phone is not liking the light, but you have your cooker there as well. And as I say, space for an under counter fridge freezer. So as we come round, we have our bedroom. So really good sized built-in wardrobe space there. So you can see along the top, you've got your space all along there and a really good sized wardrobe there as well. So plenty for storage. Now we do have the storage heaters in here. However, the property, it does have the cavity wall insulation. So it is really cozy in here. The property just keeps its heat really well. So although we've got the electric heating, it is nice and efficient as well for you to be able to use that. So good size room. So this property is perfect for either a single person or a couple. You do have a nice big bedroom. As I say, plenty of wardrobe space there as well. So you're not having to fight over who gets more space. There's plenty space for two. Not only that, but we do have a nice big storage cupboard just in the hallway here. And then we have our lovely shower room. So again, quite a nice open space. It's all tiled as well, so nice and low maintenance. Nice toilet, sink, mirror above, and again, quite a good sized shower cubicle there. And you've got your lovely electric shower, which has been quite well looked after. So lovely shower room here. So as I say, 17 Orkney Place in Kirkcaldy, really centrally located. Whether you drive or you don't, you do have the perfect option for both here. As I say, very well presented flat. You've got the option there for the laundry room, or you have space in the kitchen there for it as well, and nice and cozy as well here. So we've got our double glazed windows, and obviously with the storage heaters and the cavity wall insulation, lovely and cozy even in the winter time. So if you would like any further details on this property, please get in contact with the office. You can do so by phoning us on 01 333 424 188. I'm Karen for 5 Properties.